Jamaican businessman turned Turks and Caicos resident is still under investigation by Turks and Caicos authorities amidst allegations of financial corruption, and earlier today, investors who had poured millions into David Smith's foreign exchange company were in front of the magistrate's court in hopes of getting some sort of resolution. However, court officials delayed the case until further notice due to a backlog in other cases. Smith's assets were frozen in mid-July after officials suspected that his foreign exchange companies, which also include OL and TCI, were involved in financial corruption schemes. Documents and computers were among some of the other items seized during a raid at Smith's home here in the Turks and Caicos Islands. Nearly a dozen investors were outside the courts and met with their lawyers earlier today to discuss the next plan of action and how they will get their monies back.
I'm pretty disappointed that we're not going to have a hearing today. I know we're going to meet as a group at Simba at 12:30 to further discuss what's going to take place with the court proceedings, and hopefully early next week we should be able to have a hearing here. And I've been pretty surprised that all of the assets here for TCI FX traders have been seized when we all know it was a legitimate company. And so we're here today fighting to get our money back.
John Wildish, one of the directors of TCI FX Traders, talked to our cameras vividly about the allegations, noting that TCI FX Traders have no connections to Olin TCI. However, Smith named Olin TCI back in January of 2007 as a legitimate player in the Caribbean, even after investigators in Jamaica from the Financial Services Commission closed offices there due to a lack of license to operate.
It should all be fine. Everybody should get their money back. Because 100% of the money is there, and we're working with the authorities to get it back to the people that have invested, such as Brandon. He's one of the investors. We have nothing to do with Olint, but the situation is that Olint, the authorities froze everything to do with David Smith until the matter straightened out, okay?
There is currently no date scheduled for the new trial.